Hello, English learners. Welcome back to the listening channel of Peak English. I am so happy to see you today. Today, our topic is very special. We are going to learn about house essentials. What do you need when you move into a new home? By watching this video to the end, you will learn a lot. You will learn useful, everyday vocabulary. You will learn the names of things in your house. And you will learn a great trick to remember new words. Let me introduce our story today. Our friends Alex and Amelia have a new apartment. They need to furnish it. Furnish means to buy furniture and things for the home. Do not worry if you are a beginner. Their conversation will be slow. The words will be clear and very easy to follow. Now, here is your listening challenge for today. Listen very carefully to their story. Alex and Amelia talk about their refrigerator. What happened to their refrigerator after they plugged it in? Keep that question in your mind. Try to find the answer while you listen. Are you ready? Let's jump into the story.
Wow. Look at our new apartment, Amelia.
It is so beautiful, Alex. I love it.
But it is very empty.
Yes, it is empty. We need to furnish it.
I bought some things today.
Really? What did you buy?
I bought a couch.
A new couch?
Yes, come and sit down.
Oh, wow. It is so comfy.
I love this couch. A comfy couch is very important for a home.
I agree. I love the color, too.
I think it really ties the room together.
Ties the room together?
Yes, it means it makes everything look good together.
Ah, I understand. It makes the room special.
Exactly.
What else did you get?
Look over there.
Oh, I see a big mirror.
I love how mirrors look in a space like this.
It looks very nice. But wait, is it near the window?
Yes, it is.
My dad says you have to be careful.
Careful. Why?
My dad says that mirror can cause a fire.
A fire?
Yes, the sun reflecting off the mirror can cause a fire.
No, I don't know about that. I love how it looks right there.
Okay, but be careful.
I will. I also hide my yoga mat behind the mirror.
That is smart.
It keeps things looking tidy.
Tidy and clean.
Alex and Amelia are doing great. Let's see what else is in the room.
What is this green thing?
I got a plant.
I love plants.
Plants are the most important part of a home.
Yes, they are.
I want to fill this place up with plants.
Why do you like them so much?
Plants bring abundance. They bring prosperity and money.
That is wonderful.
Look at this one.
What kind of plant is it?
This plant is a Brazil tree.
A Brazilian tree. It is so pretty.
I have always had a Brazil tree in my room.
The air feels so much cleaner.
Yes, and they are easy to care for. They do not need any sun, and they barely need water.
Really?
Yes, only once a week.
That is perfect.
I even keep a compost.
A compost?
Yes, to water my plants with nutrients.
You are very good with plants, Alex.
Thank you.
What are these?
I got some throw blankets.
Throw blankets?
Yes, they are smaller than the average blanket.
Oh, I see. They are much smaller.
You use them when you are watching a movie.
Watching a movie? Do we have a TV?
No, we do not have a TV.
Oh, no TV?
We have something better. Look up there.
What is that?
It is a projector.
A projector.
This projector looks so nice at night.
It is such a big screen.
If you are deciding between a TV or a projector,
Yes?
get the projector.
I agree.
I love mine. I have been watching Game of Thrones on this every night.
Game of Thrones?
Yes, I just started watching this series. It's so good. I'm obsessed.
That sounds like fun. But Alex, what is all this mess?
Oh, please ignore that.
There are boxes and Ethernet cables.
I know.
And a pile of books left in the corner.
There is still a lot of work to be done.
It is okay. We will clean it.
Now, let's move with them to the kitchen.
Let's look at the kitchen.
Okay. Oh, look at these chairs.
I bought 2 swivel chairs.
Swivel chairs?
Yes, because they swivel from side to side.
Oh, this is fun.
They are perfect for us to eat at our little kitchen bar.
Alex, is that a broom on the floor?
Oh, excuse the broom. I was sweeping, and I just left the entire mess in the corner.
That is very funny, Alex.
But speaking of brooms, I bought a mop.
Yay!
I can finally mop.
Did you get a bucket?
Yes, I had to get a bucket.
Now, where is the most important part?
What is that?
The refrigerator.
Finally. I was eating tuna every day.
Tuna every day is not good.
But finally, we got the refrigerator.
It was so stressful, actually.
Yes, it was very stressful.
We ordered the refrigerator.
It arrived, and it was installed.
We waited 24 hours.
And then we turned it on.
We plugged in the refrigerator.
And it didn't work.
It wouldn't get cold.
So all of our food went bad.
The fruit and vegetables went bad.
And milk and yogurt all went bad.
So we had to call the repairman.
He came and fixed our refrigerator.
We had to pay more, of course.
But nevertheless, we have a fridge.
Yes, we do.
Look inside. I bought other things.
Oh, I see Tupperware.
Yes, big Tupperware, small Tupperware.
And medium-sized Tupperware.
I also got spices, sauces, and cooking oil.
We have a lot of food now.
I also got a knife holder.
Very nice.
More plates, more mugs,
More spoons, more forks.
some butter knives for spreading butter.
What is this?
That is a whisk.
And a cutting board.
It's dirty from my berries.
I see that.
Here is a cheese grater and a lime squeezer.
Very useful tools.
I got some little things too. Paper towels and trash bags.
Oh, a coffee machine.
Yes, even though I don't drink coffee.
I do. Thank you, roommate.
You are welcome. Let's go to my room now.
Okay.
Welcome to my desk.
It is filled with lots of junk.
Yes, it is.
I see lotion.
My lotion is amazing.
What are these?
My nail clippers.
And this?
A humidifier.
A mug with some coffee.
My glasses, my computer, and the mouse.
Wait, Alex, what are these little yellow papers?
Do you know what this is?
They are sticky notes.
Yes. Let me explain all of these sticky notes.
I am listening.
This one's a little bit smudged. I got a tip from a new friend of mine.
A tip?
A great idea for learning. She is Chinese. When she learned English, she did something special.
What did she do?
She used to put sticky notes on every object in her house.
Every object?
Yes, with the names in English.
That is very smart.
That way she learned the name of everything around her. She learned them in English first.
That is much better than learning unnecessary words.
Yes, words that you never use, you forget eventually.
But with the sticky notes, you see them all day
Exactly! Your brain is always thinking in English.
because of those sticky notes.
So I am doing the same with Chinese.
You are learning Chinese?
Yes, I followed my friend's advice. I wrote down every word from around my house onto a sticky note,
Wow.
and I stuck them onto each object.
Let me see. You put one on your computer,
Yes.
on your table,
Yes?
on your plants,
Yes.
and even on your kitchen chair.
It has been a super useful tip. I recommend you try it too.
I will. I will learn so many words.
It makes learning very easy.
I will put a sticky note on the projector
Good idea.
and one on the coffee machine
Very good.
and one on the mirror.
Just don't let the sticky note catch on fire.
Very funny, Alex.
So, these were the essentials I bought for my home so far.
It looks wonderful.
I still have a few things to get. My apartment isn't fully furnished yet.
It takes time to make a home.
Yes, it does.
What is an essential in your home? What's the most important thing in your house?
For me, Mine is the couch.
The couch? Why?
Because it makes any space feel like a home.
Ah, I see.
It lets me and my family, me and my friends, sit down and laugh together.
That is beautiful, Alex.
Let's sit down and laugh right now.
Okay.
They look so comfortable on their new couch.
This couch really is comfortable.
I told you.
The apartment looks much better now.
We have a place to sit.
We have plants for clean air.
We have a projector for movies.
And a working refrigerator for food.
Finally, yes. No more bad food.
What will you buy next?
I don't know yet. Maybe a new rug?
Oh, you have a brand new rug already.
Oh, right. I got a brand new rug.
I think it ties in with the room perfectly.
Yes, it does.
And what is that circle light?
That's my new ring light.
For your videos?
Yes. I got some new things for my videos. A new tripod with a ring light.
That is very professional.
And my mom bought me these bee lights.
So cute.
But I also had to get earplugs.
Earplugs? Why?
Because it's so noisy outside.
Oh, no.
I couldn't sleep without them.
At least you have them now.
Yes. Everything is coming together.
You did a great job furnishing this place.
Thank you, Amelia.
Wait, I have an idea.
What is it?
Give me a sticky note.
Here you go.
I am writing a word.
What word?
Friend.
You put a sticky note on me.
Yes. Now my brain knows you are my friend in English.
I am always your friend.
This trick is really fun.
Let's write more notes together.
Okay, how do you spell throw blanket?
THROW
Okay.
BLANKET.
Done.
Now let's do projector.
PROJECTOR.
Perfect.
Learning English is fun.
Especially when we do it at home.
I love our new home.
Me too.
Now, can we watch Game of Thrones?
Yes! I will turn on the projector.
I will get the throw blanket.
See? You are using the new vocabulary.
I am a good student.
The best student.
This is a perfect evening.
It really is.
Hey, Alex.
Yes?
I am very happy the refrigerator is working.
Me too.
No more warm yogurt.
Ugh. No more warm yogurt.
We have everything we need.
Yes, we do.
Is there coffee left in the mug?
No, it is empty.
I will make more later.
We have the coffee machine now.
Yes!
And I have my computer here.
Your desk is very organized now.
Because of the sticky notes.
The sticky notes save the day.
Remember to practice every day.
I will.
Just look at the notes.
And say the words out loud.
Yes. Speaking out loud is very important.
Mirror. Couch. Plant.
Excellent.
Projector. Blanket. Refrigerator.
You sound like a native speaker.
Thank you, Alex.
We will be fluent very soon.
I cannot wait.
Well, it has been a long day.
Yes, a very long day of furnishing.
But a very good day.
The best day.
Tomorrow, we will buy more things.
More plants?
Always more plants.
Yay!
Good night, Amelia.
Good night, Alex.
Wow, what a great conversation. Did you enjoy Alex and Amelia's story? They have a beautiful new apartment now, and they practiced so many wonderful English words. How do you feel about the sticky note trick? Will you try it in your own home? It is a very easy way to learn vocabulary. Now, do you remember our listening challenge from the beginning? What happened to their refrigerator after they plugged it in? Did it work perfectly, or did something go wrong? I want you to write your answer down below. Please write it in the comments in English. Do not be shy. Even writing one simple sentence helps you improve. Making mistakes is how we learn. I will read all of your comments. If you learned something new today, please support us.
Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it.
So I can focus on making more videos like these. Subscribe and hit the notification bell. We will help you learn comprehensible English in fun, easy ways. Thank you so much for watching. Never stop learning, guys. Bye.